Hey guys, and welcome back to another Fab Unreal Engine Marketplace limited time free video. So this is for the first part of March 2025, where we've got access to 3 amazing assets for free once again. This time we've got access to the SciFi modular hover vehicles, the Western Desert Town, and Gaea. So let's get right on with it, starting with the SciFi modular hover vehicles. So this asset will give you a collection of meshes with high quality PBR materials for creating a variety of military futuristic hover tanks and hover guns, radars, missile launchers, and cargo crafts. The flexible configuration of this pack allows you to add your own or third-party meshes as well. And all of them are static meshes, so there's no skeletal meshes used within this as well. So this features meshes for creating various military hover vehicles, and there are 2 types of hover pods or engines. In total, there are 46 unique meshes, all of which have handmade and auto-created collision. The vertex count ranges from 60 to 42,000, and there are LODs as well. The materials are PBR, and there are 159 materials and material instances, with 215 textures, and the text resolutions being 512 to 4K. On top of this, you have decal materials for numbers and signs, several pre-configured hover vehicle prefabs, and additional meshes for barrels, platforms, and pillars. There is also configurable optional lights underneath the hover pads as well. So I think this one looks great. This is normally $40 for the personal license and $40 for the professional as well. However, it is free until the 25th of March 2025. Next up, we have the Western Desert Town with Construction Tool. Using the Construction Tool, you can easily create any building that you want, and you can quickly design the number of floors, colors, window and door shapes, and more using the tool included in this pack as well. You can create a cave with 7 different cave modules and enhance its interior decoration with the specific cave tool. So this has 321 unique meshes, all of which have collision, and up to 4 LODs. There are 8 materials and 87 material instances, with 128 textures being 1K, 2K, and 4K. So all of the assets in this pack are modular, so you can very easily create your own buildings and caves using their construction tool as well, or just doing it out as you normally would in the engine. There are also hand-drawn decals included within this, and there are 4 mountains for the background too. This pack also supports Lumen, and there are rail and cable blueprints in the pack, ready for you to just use straight away. So I think this one looks absolutely amazing, especially with the construction tool that you're getting within this as well. Normally, the personal license for this would be $100, and the professional license would be $300. And finally, last but not least, we have Gaea. And so Gaea is a pack of high poly assets intended for use in cinematics within Unreal Engine 5. So that's important to note that these aren't made for games, these are made for cinematics. Now, you may be able to use them in games with Nanite if you want, but that's not what these are intended for, so they're not optimized for games at all. So within this 3D model pack, you've got fortress, temple, workshop, and dugout shelters, and they are all highly detailed and easily customizable with communications towers, awnings, silos, and much more, freeing you to create everything from humble abodes to subterranean layers ready for battle. So this features organic architecture structures including community plazas, temples, banquet halls, restaurants, city centers, palaces, stores, pergolas, gazebos, tree houses, woven lamps, baskets, and more. In total, there are 93 unique actors and 1,277 unique meshes. So as you can see, there is a lot included within this pack, and the poly count is 7.8 million. There is automatically generated collision on these assets, and there are no LODs. In total, there are 28 materials, 173 textures, and all the text resolutions are in 4K. So again, I think this one looks absolutely amazing. However, it is very important to note, these are not game ready at all. They're not optimized for gaming. They're intended for use within cinematics in Unreal Engine 5. Normally, the personal license for this is $200, and the professional license is $800. But again, free until the 25th of March. So this one is a steal if you get it now. And with that, I think that'll be it for this video of covering this part of the limited time free. And again, you have until the 25th of March to claim these assets for free, and you can keep them forever afterwards, and we'll get another 3 after that as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you found it helpful of me just covering these assets, showcasing them, and also reminding you that you can get them for free. And I think my favorite one this time around is probably the Western Desert Town with the construction tool. and let me know in the comments down below which one your favorite one was as well. But if you did enjoy this video, please do make sure to like and subscribe down below, as it really does help me and our channel out a lot. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.